Former Camarines Sur Representative Nonoy Andaya has formed a fans club as he recruits supporters for the Sara Duterte Gibo Chodoro pairing for 2022. Andaya has gained the support of two Camsur politicos, Pili Mayor Tomas Bongalota Jr. and Vice Governor Imelda Papin. Now, support for Andaya's preferred 2022 tandem has gone beyond Camarines Sur. His new recruit is Quezon City Mayor Joy Belmonte. According to Andaya, a strong city mayor deserves a strong president.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.